Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fausta Fika Elvaretta from 11 Science 4 attendance list number 12. Today I want to talk about coronavirus, which is currently become a hot topic over the world. So just keep on watching.
In this video, I will divide into 4 parts. First, definition of coronavirus. Second, how coronavirus works. Third, symptoms of coronavirus. And the last, how to prevent coronavirus. Severe respiratory syndrome related coronavirus 2, or everyone calls coronavirus, is zoonotic virus. This virus comes from animals like bat and snake, but can be transmitted to humans. This virus in humans can cause respiratory tract disorders, both upper and lower respiratory tract. The first case of coronavirus was reported in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Early cases were believed to be linked to a live animal market in Wuhan, named Seafood London Market. The market sells wild animals such as peacock, fox, mongoose, bat, snake, etc. And then, Wuhan people contact and eat them, which is very dangerous. Chinese authorities notified the world that COVID-19 was spreading through their communities, and in the following months it spread to other countries with cases doubling within days. And then how coronavirus works? Incubation period of coronavirus is 14 days. SARS-CoV-2 can attack your body when you inhale droplet infection, when people cough, or when touching something that contaminated with virus, and then you rub your face. First, this virus infects cells lining the throat and lungs, then change it to coronavirus factory, and produce many new viruses that continue to infect. At this stage, we will not get sick, and in some cases show no symptoms. After that, there will be general symptoms, such as fever and cough. If this disease develops, it occurs because the immune system overreacts to the virus. And if the immune system cannot reach the peak of the virus, it will be spread throughout the body, which can cause more damage and cause severe disease, such as pneumonia, and even cause death. And then, what is the symptoms? We can know if an individual is positive for the coronavirus. Coronavirus has common symptoms such as fever, headache, cough, limp body, and sore throat. But if your fever has reached 38 degrees Celsius or more, and you have shortness of breath, and you cannot do daily activities, you better immediately contact the short message service at covid19.co.id and wait for the next given direction, because only a diagnostic test can confirm whether or not an individual is positive for the coronavirus. In the last part of this video, I will give you some tips to prevent coronavirus. There are several ways we can do to prevent coronavirus or prevent transmission to others. First, the simplest way is washing hands frequently with soap for 20 seconds. Wash your hands properly as in this picture. 2. Wear a mask if you get sick, and don't forget to covering your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. Next step is avoid touching your face, such as mouth, nose, and eyes, because this part is the way for the virus enter the body. The next thing is social distancing and avoiding crowded place, which is not a nice experience but a nice thing to do. If you can stay at home, please stay at home to protect those who need to be out for society, such as doctor and police officer. You depend all of them. They all depend on you to not get sick. On a larger level, there are quarantine, which mean actual orders to stay at home. So if you are put under quarantine, you should understand why and respect it. That's all that I can talk about coronavirus. I hope this disaster passes as soon as possible. Let's prevent coronavirus. Please stay at home and don't forget to keep clean. Passes